I'm about to show you a simple way to replace the serpentine belt on this Toyota RAV4. If you feel intimidated by doing this, don't worry, I got you. I will explain you everything as simple as possible. You might be tempted to do it from the top, but I'm gonna tell you, don't do it, don't waste your time. You will find a couple of videos showing how to do this from the top, but it is a pain. Just take your time and do it from the side. You will be glad you did. Let's begin. Let's go ahead and lift the car and remove the wheel. Safety is very important to me, so that's why I'm using double jack stands. You never know when you're gonna need it. With the tire out, you will see this cover. Let's go ahead and remove it. It is held in place by some clips that we have to remove. 2 at the top, 1 or 2 at the bottom. I only had 1. Right here we got the belt diagram, use it for reference. Now I just want to show you how the belt is going around the pulleys. Take your time and inspect it before you do anything. If you would like, take pictures. Although with the level of details that I'm putting on this video, I think you would not need any pictures or any backup. Right here in red we got the belt tensioner, and in orange we got all the rest of the pulleys. 14mm socket will do the job. If you don't have this tool that I'm showing you right here to remove the belt, don't worry about it. A regular wrench number 14 will do the job. Take a look at this, guys. Right there, that's your tensioner. We're gonna go ahead and push it aside. Push, pull, whatever you want to call it, clockwise to release the tension from the belt. Right here I'm showing you the belt that I'm gonna be using, and it is always a good idea to put it side by side with the old belt and make sure it kind of looks similar. And this is how I'm gonna be placing the belt. I'm gonna go over the generator, under the tensioner, under the water pump, around the crankshaft, and I will leave the AC for the last one. Dropping the belt from the top just so I can put it around the generator in an easy way. Now we'll go under the car and start routing the belt around all the pulleys as I mentioned before. Now with the belt around all the pulleys but the AC, I'm gonna go ahead and use a regular wrench, 14mm, and I'm gonna push on the belt tensioner so I can put the belt around the AC, which is my last pulley, and then slowly release. Make sure everything, the belt, it goes around smoothly, and then release the tension from the belt. Now as a final step, make sure to double check everything. Look for any misplaced on the belt around the pulleys. Everything should be perfect. Just take your time, take a look, and if everything is okay, congratulations, you just replaced the serpentine belt on your Toyota RAV4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. See you in the next one.